What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and today I'll be taking you through how to fill up a keyless entry motorcycle. First of all, find a fuel stop. So my key is in my pocket and you're going to be close enough to the bike, and then for this one you're going to push forward and it's going to release the cap like so. From there, pick your cash dollar fuel. Be careful, nothing dribbles out over the bike. Get it in the hole and then gently fill her up. Be careful, different tanks have different shapes, so I have filled up some where it starts squirting out straight away. It's because the nozzle has been hitting some metal on the inside and then the fuel just gets thrown back out. Nowadays I do get off the bike. I used to sit on the bike so I can maximise the amount of fuel, make sure there's no air left in the tank, but a lot of petrol stations don't actually let you fill up or sitting down. I've had it before where they've called out on the tannoy and told me to get off the bike before they authorise the fuel to come out. So save yourself the hassle, jump off the bike. So we're starting to get to the top now. Lift the nozzle out slightly, slowly squeeze the trigger. So that's coming out nice and slow. There we go, brimmed off nicely. Don't want to overfill it. Slowly rotate it to the left, lift it up, just so you don't start dripping fuel all over your bike. Once that's done, push it down and you're going to push on the front part until it clicks, and that is it, filled up, good to go. Obviously now go inside, lose some money, come back and enjoy your bike. And there you go, ladies and gents, quick and easy on how to fill up your keyless entry motorcycle. Until the next one, ride safe.